All right, so we are going to begin actually right here in the middle of this paragraph. So this is going to be a short video, okay? All right, so except for the small expenditures in the decoration of her infant, Hester bestowed all her superfluous means in charity, or wretches less miserable than herself, and who not unfrequently insulted the hand that fed them. Much of the time which she might readily have applied to the better efforts of her art, she employed in making coarse garments for the poor. So we see here that Hester, what she does is she gives to those who are less misfortunate than her. And she even gives to those who have probably even insulted her. So remember, if we go back, Hester wants to seem like a saint. She almost kind of wants to kill the villagers with kindness. And this is kind of her way of doing it. She is very sincere and sincere in terms of wanting to do something nice for the people, but she's also wanting to, she probably has this double meaning. It's also duplicitous meaning for doing these things, right? Because she wants to regain her shame, right? So there's a part of herself that feels like she has to reclaim her shame, okay? And that's probably why she's doing this. All right, so we're going to start back right here. Much of the time, which she might readily have applied to better efforts of her art, she employed in making coarse garments for the poor. It is probable that there was an idea of penance in the mode of occupation, and that she offered up a real sacrifice of enjoyment, in devoting so many hours to such rude handiwork. She had in her nature a rich, voluptuous, oriental characteristic, a taste for the gorgeously beautiful, which, save in the exquisite productions of her needle, found nothing else in all the possibilities of her life to exercise itself upon. Women derive a pleasure, incomprehensible to the other sex, from the delicate toil of the needle. To Hester Prynne it might have been a mode of expressing, and therefore soothing, the passion of her life. Like all other joys, she rejected it as sin. This morbid meddling of conscience with an immaterial matter betokened, it is to be feared, no genuine and steadfast penance, but something doubtful, something that might be deeply wrong beneath. So she feels like there's something not quite right in the way she is expressing maybe herself through this needlework, and so like she feels like all joys, she rejected it as sin. So she's trying, once again, she doesn't want to feel too happy about the way she feels about helping people, because it's like, I shouldn't be happy, and maybe you guys felt that too. Maybe you felt like you've done something kind of bad or wrong, and you felt like you probably didn't deserve to be happy. That's kind of what Hester's feeling too right now.